Good morning, everyone. Thank you for learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be on cheering yourself up. Right now, you might be having some strong feelings. You might be feeling frustrated or worried or upset, or some of you might be feeling sad right now. I get sad too sometimes. I'm sad that I miss my friends. I'm sad that I'm missing all of you. I miss the high fives. I miss the smiles. I miss coming into your classrooms. When I feel sad, sometimes I need help cheering myself up. I'm going to share a story with you. Some of you might already know this. It's one of my favorites. And then we're going to talk about ways you can cheer yourself up.
Written by Bradley Trevor Green. Have you ever had a blue day? A blue day is a day when nothing goes right and you feel kind of lousy. You might feel grumpy. You might feel lonely. You might feel really shy. Or just plain pooped. Basically, you're not much fun to be around. Other people may not understand how you feel. In fact, on blue days, it seems like everyone is ignoring you or picking on you. A blue day can sneak up on you when you don't expect it. Someone might do or say something mean that hurts your feelings. Or you might make a silly mistake and feel weird about it. Trying to cover it up only makes things worse. Someone may be mad at you or even yell at you. Honk, honk! Or you might get time out. That's a sure way to a blue day. Have you been forced to share your favorite snack when you really didn't want to? Or had to eat Brussels sprouts for dinner? How come no one makes you share your Brussels sprouts? Does it ever seem like you're too big to play with the little kids, but too little to play with the big kids? Feeling like you don't fit in can really bring on a blue day, which is like being sick, but not knowing what hurts. Everything seems impossible on a blue day. You don't feel like playing, or laughing, or even talking. On a blue day, it's like you're stuck in a deep hole and you can't climb out. Well, listen up, kid. You can get past a blue day. There are lots of ways to do it. Sometimes just a little nap can make you feel better. Try singing your favorite songs as loud as you can. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh, sorry. And while you're at it, break out some wild dance moves. Chicka chicka doo, boom boom. If you don't feel like hanging out with friends, you can have fun on your own. Try standing on your head. By the way, did you ever stop to think that everyone on the other side of the world is walking upside down? Weird, huh? Another great way to beat a blue day is to be creative. Get out the paints, crayons, and spaghetti sauce and cut loose on a painting. Shake up your usual routine and try something you've never done before. I don't recommend what this dog is doing. Or pretend you're someone else entirely. I can't even tell. Is that a border collie dog? Sometimes you can cheer up by talking to your best friends or even just thinking about someone you really like. It's true. Especially if you think about a time you did something really crazy together. Aha! You see? A smile can sneak up on you just like a blue day can. Before you know it, you'll be back to your old self. In fact, if you're not careful, you might start smiling so much that people will think you're up to something. Of course, you are up to something. You're cheering yourself up. With a little imagination, you can change a blue day into a new day. A day when all kinds of amazing things might happen. A day when it's great to be you. Now, isn't that a much better way to look at the world? Yeah, I think so too.
It's one of my favorite stories on how to cheer yourself up. I love looking up the funny animal pictures. Some things in that story were you could sing along to a song you really like, break out some dance moves, be creative, draw, do something that you haven't done before. One thing that I do a lot when I'm feeling sad or having a blue day is talk to my friends. Even though I can't see them, sometimes they're just a phone call away. Or if I'm home, I can talk with a family member. That makes you feel good. On the Padlet that you access this video, there are 2 more activities that you guys can do. The first one is, I want to know, what do you do when you have a blue day? What activities do you do to make yourself cheer up? And the second activity, I posted some of my favorite songs and even some jokes that could cheer someone else up. I even posted one of the most requested lunch duty songs on there, and I miss singing along with you guys. Well, I hope this video helps you learn how to cheer up. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Have to Grace.